Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying provider details and permissions. This ensures you can read and write identities. Next, identify the exact employee ID attribute and the SSO unique identifier. Emails can change, so prefer immutable ID. Once done, export or snapshot current user mappings and set a sandbox target. Make sure to note rate limits and API credentials so you avoid lockouts. You'll use these in the next step to match and update records programmatically. You now fetch both sides of data and run deterministic matching rules. This reduces accidental mismatches. Normalize names, emails, and remove aliases so comparisons are consistent. Apply a primary key match first, then fallbacks like verified email or employee number. Once matches are identified, prepare idempotent upsert operations to attach SSO ID to employee records while logging every change. Make sure to run a preview that shows deltas and review any ambiguous cases manually before you finish by applying batched updates to production, watching success rates and error codes so you can pause if issues appear. After updates, test authentication flows for a representative sample and verify provisioning and deprovisioning behavior. Make sure to rerun reconciliation daily for a short period to catch delayed discrepancies. If something goes wrong, use your backup to roll back immediately and then refine your matching rules. This reduces risk and speeds recovery while you correct data problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.